Hello everybody, my name is Christian Charlo. Welcome to your market report. Today we're Thursday, December 19. Yesterday, folks, the Fed announced that they will taper the bond buying program. So today, market digested this information, and if we take a look at all markets, they stayed totally flat. NASDAQ, Dow Jones, the TSX, and even the venture index. So today, my focus today is to show you the type of stocks that we think might make a quick profit, a quick gain in the next few days. So let's start with what we have. First of all, there's FX Energy. FX Energy, what we like about it is the fact that it's testing an important support, but also the momentum indicators, the stochastics, is showing us that there's some buyers who are getting in, and we have some room to go before we reach the overbought situation. So FX Energy, we believe that the stock can make a quick 5% and reaches that resistance here on 370, which also corresponds to its 200 moving average. But the risk on FX Energy is that it's already taking 9.45%, and your stop loss should be around 295, so which makes that your loss potential is really great, higher than 10%. So this is the risk that you encounter by getting in on a stock like that on FX Energy. So you have to be willing to tolerate that risk if you're making that trade. NII Holding. What we like about NII Holding, first of all, it's the stochastics showing us that there's some buyers who are getting in. We have some room to go before we reach the overbought situation. But also, if we take a look at this on a yearly basis, we actually testing the low of this downward channel, right? And also the stochastics are showing us that there's starting to be some inflow of buyers there. Like the stochastic is starting to tilt towards the overbought situation. So all this is making us confident that NII Holding can pursue its upward momentum. So that our target by getting in now is around 307, which also corresponds to that downward trend on NII Holding. But it's riskier than FX Energy because it's already taking 20.69%. So that's the risk that you have on a stock like that. So if you're getting in on a stock like that, you have to either be willing to tolerate that risk or put your a trailing stop loss of 7% or so whenever the stock loses some momentum. Now, Iridium Communications, we actually like the technical pattern of that stock, but we believe that right now, by looking at how the stock is losing momentum after testing that downward trend, by looking at this resistance, we believe that it's not the moment to get in now, but it has to be watched because it's higher than 622 on the break of that resistance, even if it's a second day movement, because today it's breaking out, it broke out that sideways formation. We believe higher than 622, this will be a confirmation that the buyer's momentum is there and that you could get in on a stock like that. And the target will be around 675, which is approximately the same resistance, the same length that we have from that top to that bottom here on Iridium Communications. So do not get in right now, only higher than 622. Now, Goodrich Petroleum, it's a stock that has to be watched because on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days. On a daily basis, we publish the list of some stocks that are to be watched for an eventual breakout or breakdown. Now, Goodrich Communication, what we liked about it is, first of all, the stock is testing its upward trend. On this upward trend here, it is also the resistance that we had in 2012 and at the beginning of 2013. The stock stabilized for a while. Stochastics are showing us that there's starting to be some buyers that are getting there. So we believe that right now, if you are eyeing Goodrich, it's the moment to get it at a cheaper price. And if ever you see Goodrich going below 15 bucks, then you have to actually get out of your positions. By getting in now, our target on Goodrich is until the stock tests that downward trend, so around 18 bucks on Goodrich Petroleum, but you have to put your stop loss. So those are some stocks here that have to be watched. Iridium Communications, it's higher than 622. NII Holding, you could get in on a stock like that today, but with a 20% increase, you have to put your trailing stop loss or be willing to actually tolerate that risk. Same thing also on FX Energy and Goodrich Petroleum, below 15 bucks. That's where you should put your stop loss. So folks, this is it. See you on December 31st for your market report, because next week we will not be making any market report because there will be some people in vacation. So I wish you, on behalf of all the team on Decision Plus, put my Christmas hat. I wish you all a happy holidays, enjoy, and see you on December 31st for your market report. Thank you.